Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to do Madison's hair, and all I do is I just sit her up on the table, and I use water and with a little bit of oil, a brush, and a detangling brush to get her hair. So right, you giving them your brush. Okay guys, so her the reason why I keep her hair in just two and not do different style is because if you can see, hold on mommy, if you can see, she has really tender this is just from me brushing her hair with water, and it's already red and stuff, so I try not to pull or manipulate her hair too much because I'm pretty sure it's very painful. So I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's painful for her. I'm sorry. And I'm just not in the, because a lot of people like, why don't you do the baby hair and, you know, cornrow her hair? And no, she's a baby. She's a baby, and half the time she's walking look at you. You're so gorgeous. You're so beautiful. Say thank you, mommy. You want to do affirmation? No? But yeah, a lot of people are like, why don't you braid her hair and do all of that? And I'm like, she's a baby. You know, half the time she walks around here with her hair looking a hot mess. That's because I don't like to manipulate her hair and, you know, have her crying and stuff, because I know she's really tender-headed, so I try not to. But also I don't let her go with her hair all matted and stuff for too long because her dad does not like it. But anyways, her and I are just gonna chill for a little bit and read some books. She loves a book, so we're just gonna read some books and have her crayon. I have these little reading books that you can crayon, you can color, and it's also a little storybook and she loves them. So I'm just gonna go do that and spend some time with her. You're a character. I'm just gonna spend some time with her, and the house is already clean. I cleaned it because the guy is coming. I don't like people coming into my home when it's dirty, so it's already cleaned, and so I don't have anything to do. I just have to take out dinner, so that's what I'm gonna go do, and then spend some time with this little one. Say bye guys. Say bye guys. Bye sunshine. Give them kisses. Say kisses. See you guys later. Good morning people. Good morning. Yeah, so today is a special day. It's like really special. Like last week I showed you guys just a sneak peek of our build, like the foundation and our slab that they poured. So this week they completed framing, so the whole house should be up. That's what he said. So I have a Sharpie, and this is we're gonna go and write scriptures on our stud, the stud of the house. So I have a couple of scriptures picked out for every single room. So hopefully, well, not hopefully, I'm going to write scriptures on our stud, and also let the kids write their names in their room. So that should be exciting. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And luckily his mom was able to loan us her van, so we dropped off our little tiny car, picked up her van, and we're gonna be able to tow everyone down there so that they can participate safely. Because yeah, it's just the right thing to do, right? So anyway, you guys get to come along with the journey, and I'm excited to share this process of our life with you guys, and it's exciting, and yeah, I hope you guys are excited as we are. Anyways, I will see you guys once we get down there. Okay guys, so we're here, but unfortunately we can't go inside because they're still working. Our PM had said that it would be finished by the end of the week, but unfortunately they're still working on it because they're on schedule, guys. And next week they have a bunch of trade people coming in, so they have to be completely done with framing by next week. So they have to get it done by today. But I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. There.
Wait. You can.
Okay guys, so today's Friday. I stopped vlogging. I think it was Monday I was vlogging, or Tuesday, whatever. I stopped somewhere in between hubby's homes, and it's Friday, so I figured I would treat him till lunch, because we were having a discussion and I felt kind of bad because, you know, I like to treat after, you know. Maddie's in the bathroom making a mess, a big old mess. Like, homegirl is in the toilet now. She took all the stuff out. Toilets! And I'm just like, I don't remember, for some reason I can't remember my older children being as what, I don't even have a word for. Look at her, she's into something. Well, the toilet. And I'm standing there getting dressed, right? And all I hear is flip, flip, like someone is playing in the toilet. But I was so into what I was doing that I didn't realize that Madison is playing in the toilet. What Madison was doing is she was taking the rag, or her bloomers, or her little shorts that she wears on her dresses. She was taking that, dipping it into the toilet and washing the floor, and dipping it back in the toilet bowl and then washing the floor. I turned around. I really can't. One of you guys need to come get her. But anyways, we're gonna go. My husband wanted to go to Five Guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, we're no longer vegan. We just couldn't. Well, we could have done it because we did it for such a long time. But my husband was craving meat, and he gave in to meat, and we just been eating meat ever since. And I've gained like 10 pounds. But he wanted to go to Five Guys, so now he wants to go to a Jamaican store right down the street from us. And this is a new wig. I love it. I don't know if you guys love it on me, but I love it, and it's like really cute and everything. So I just slapped it on because my real hair underneath is just, I don't know what it's doing. And my husband, I keep telling my husband, can I cut my hair? Can I cut my hair? No. And he's like, no. I'm like, but my hair is falling out. The lighting right here is horrible. But I'm like, my hair is falling out, husband. Can I please cut my hair? He's like, well, let whoever wants to fall out and leave. Keep the rest. What? Ain't nobody got time to be walking around with no bald spot in the back of their head. Like, no. But I'm gonna cut it because it's honey, it's really bad. It's really, my hair is really bad, and I can't keep keeping it this way because, anyway, the lighting is horrible. What light is not on? The light is horrible. So anyway, we're gonna go have some lunch, and then might take Miss Madison to something. I don't know. It's Friday. We might not. I'll see you guys then. You ready to go? All right, let's go. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oops. Be careful. Go on. There you go. Don't go too far. You have a car seat in the car?
Yeah.
Right, come on, girl. Come on, girl. Oh, it smells so good. Maddie! Maddie! This way. Give me a hand. Come on. Daddy, go to daddy. Go to daddy. Go. Go to daddy. Go. She says she has no, what is it called? Come on, we'll get it. Come on. Get it, baby. What happened? You're not gonna dance? I thought you were dancing. Okay, alright. I have to sit in the front seat. We're at the Jamaican place, and I'm getting ready to get some food, and I don't know what to get. I don't know if I should get fish. I don't know if I should get ackee and saltfish. I don't know what to get. But I know I don't want any red meat, like heavy kind of meat, and I don't want any jerk chicken. So I don't know what to get, but we shall see what I end up with. We're getting ready to go eat somewhere else, because in that little restaurant it gets so packed because it's like right around lunchtime. It's a lot of Caucasian people that gets their food from here, and they like to sit in the thing and eat and stuff. They make a lot of money from these people around here because everybody loves Jamaican food, especially Caucasian people. They love Jamaican food. So we're gonna go find a spot to go eat because this is way too hot to be sitting up in that restaurant, and I have a sweater on. It's nice and hot outside, so. But I did get I got curry goat, cabbage, and plantain. I didn't get any rice. I wanted to get a beef patty, but they didn't have the spicy one, so I just got the kids. I just grabbed the kids because I'm not cooking, so that's what they're gonna have for dinner. We found a little spot at a park somewhere. Park is over there, and we're about to eat. Drove around for a hot little minute looking for somewhere to sit down and eat. I don't know why. We're in the woods. Maddie, and look, Maddie is using my fork. Give me my fork. Maddie using my fork to dig up the earth. But I'm gonna go enjoy my food. Let me show you guys what I got. So I got, don't mind, the table is dirty, but we're not eating off of the table. We're eating on top of the table. Where are you going, little girl? Honey, can you open this? Oh, jerk chicken, rice and peas, mac and cheese, and honey, can you do a girl a favor? Ooh, I got curry goat, plantain, and some thing. Maddie, come on, come eat, baby. No, go play with the birds. Oh, I'll give you the juice here. What do you say? Thank you. You're welcome. All right, go find them birds. Find them birds, girl. All right, I love you. All right. Come back soon.
Yeah, I was working a lot. And then...
Yeah, you were working a lot and stuff happened. Anyways, lunch was amazing. I ended up eating one of the kids' beef patty because I was like so hungry. I don't know why I didn't get rice, but I'm full right now. The juice tasted so disgusting because I mixed Sprite with fruit punch and it tasted like, I don't know, tasted weird. Robitussin, yeah. But anyways, guys, this is gonna be it for the vlog. I want to go look at cars. I want to go look at SUVs because we have to get an SUV after we close on the house. So we might go do that, we might not. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.